Ever found yourself staring at your Neon Bank app, needing a clear, concise record of your transactions, but couldn't quite figure out how to pull that data out? Maybe you're doing your taxes, reconciling your accounts, or simply want a better overview of your spending habits. You know the information is there, but getting it out can feel like trying to solve a digital puzzle. You're not alone. Many Neon Bank users face this hurdle. The app is fantastic for daily banking, but when it comes to exporting those crucial transaction details, it can be a bit cryptic. That's exactly why we're here today. We're going to break down the process step by step, making it super easy for you to export your Neon Bank transactions, no matter your tech savviness. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Neon Bank app and log in. You'll land on your main account overview screen. Now, this is where the magic happens. Look for the Transactions section. It's usually prominently displayed, but the exact location might vary slightly depending on your app version. Tap on it. Once you're in the Transactions screen, you'll see a list of all your recent activity. Now, to export these, we need to find the export option. This is where things can get a little tricky. In most versions, you'll find a small icon, usually 3 dots or a share symbol, in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that. A menu will appear. Look for an option that says Export, Download, or something similar. It might also specify the file format, such as CSV or PDF. If you see multiple options, choose the one that best suits your needs. CSV is generally preferred for spreadsheets and data analysis, while PDF is great for a simple, printable record. Now, you might be asked to select a date range. This is crucial if you only need transactions from a specific period. Choose the start and end dates carefully. You can usually select from predefined ranges like this month or last month, or you can enter custom dates. After selecting the date range, tap Export or Download. The app will then process your request and generate the file. Depending on the amount of data, this might take a few moments. Once the file is ready, you'll be prompted to choose where to save it. You can save it directly to your phone storage, or you can share it via email, cloud storage, or other apps. Choose the option that works best for you. If you chose to save it to your phone, you can then access it through your File Manager app. The file will be in the format you selected, such as a CSV file that you can open with a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Now, let's address a few common issues. If you don't see the export option, make sure your Neon Bank app is up to date. An outdated app might not have the latest features. If you're still having trouble, check the Neon Bank Help Center or contact their customer support. They can provide specific instructions for your app version. Another thing to note is that some banks only allow exports of a limited number of transactions at a time. If you have a large volume of data, you might need to export it in smaller chunks. And just a quick tip, always double-check the exported data to ensure it's accurate and complete. This is especially important for financial records. By following these steps, you should be able to export your Neon Bank transactions with ease. Remember, the key is to look for the export option, select the date range, and choose your preferred file format. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.